ओए सब रॉन्ग वे में आ रहे सब.
No means no.
ये देख सकते हैं आप, पे क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है कि यू कांट टेक अ राइट बट दे आर टेकिंग, यू कांट टेक अ लेफ्ट बट दे आर डूइंग दैट. Welcome back everyone, this is your PUNERIPILOT and this is going to be one more tech session and we have to power full करो, power full करो. And I will be making a Samsung Pay payment. Here I unlock my phone, I swipe up, you can see the card is showing. Let's select my card, insert the fingerprint. He's right, पप्पी लेने का.
Here it comes.
Here I enter my password and it is done. Ta-da!
And this is what she gets. Don't not that I'm proud. Yes, for taking away my Xbox One and all my.
नहीं. Chalo. So that was the first attempt of mine to make a video on cardless transaction. Yes, you saw I just kept my phone on the machine, it asked for my debit card pin, I entered my debit card pin and yes, that was the transaction was made. So simple. That is for you the Samsung Pay.